In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a printed version of the Montessori Spindle box. And for this, I have a printout here with the numbers 0 through 9. And I have exactly 45 of these little markers, these little counters. And having exactly 45 counters or objects is the control of error. So at the end, if there are any left over or there aren't enough, then it helps the child realize that they've miscounted somewhere and they can go back independently and check. Okay, so the primary focus of this activity is the fact that the numerals are fixed. The child doesn't have to think about the order of the written symbol. All they have to do is match the loose quantity of objects. And the objects are all the same color and they're all the same size. So that is not another variable. The secondary purpose is the introduction of 0 in a visual way of nothing. Okay, so to start off, the teacher might point to the 0 and ask or tell, what is this? This is 0. This is how we write 0. 0 means nothing. There's nothing here, and we're not going to put anything here. How much is this? Yes, that's 1. Let's put 1 object there. How much is this? Yes, that's 2. Let's put 2 objects here, or counters. How much is this? Yes, that's 3. Would you like to put 3 counters or objects there? 1, 2, 3. What's this? Yes, that's 4. And you'll let the child continue. And when they're all done, the entire board will be filled up and they will have a visual sense of the quantity. You'll see that they can match the quantity with the symbol. And you can revisit that idea that, oh, look, there's nothing here. That's 0. All right, so that is the Spindle box, the printable version of the Spindle box. And it comes after the lessons with the red and blue number rods and also the sandpaper numbers.